So masidla kong adlaw, Danao City. Here we are again doing live for our first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. So doon na lang kaayo. This is our fourth live, by the way. So earlier we did live sa mga to show the finishers sa atong 60-kilometer category. We already have finishers also sa atong 70-kilometer e-bike category. And right now we are waiting for the finisher 100-kilometer category. We are waiting for the finishers. And I heard hapit na daw. And take note. Pakita ninyo diha oh, sa atong art. Muna. 4 hours pa lang and 10 minutes since the gun start. And we already have finishers. Lots of team who finished the 60-kilometer category. And right now we have another incoming team. Yay! Alright, so I think arira ko nga area para dili mawala ako internet. Okay. Mr. P, arira diri, murag naro diri ang katong
update ko natin sa 100-kilometer elite na nasa stick.
Anyway, congratulations sa atong mga finishers. So once again, this is our first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. Following the success of our first ever International Ultra Trail which happened last January. Here's another historic event here in Danao City because it's our first time to hold this huge sports event involving bikers. Mga bikers na po this time, kay mga runners man to pag January. So, congratulations City of Danao, the city government of Danao for organizing this event. And of course, to our Mayor, Thomas Mix Dorano, for making this event possible. Thank you so much. Alright, so I was just checking Alright, really apologize for the interruption, guys. We have some
Once
technical
again, you will
problems.
all be seeing each other later on sa
Alright, but
award meeting
can you help me out? Nanay audio,
and
ang
after
live.
party para sa mga riders still at the boardwalk at 5 p.m. with their dinner. Dinner for the riders, our champions. Lahat sila mga champions.
Okay, just wait for a while, guys. We are trying to check the audio.
Rider
Nanay
incoming, clear the way! Marami-rami itong mga to. Hey! Let's go! Palagpagan natin! Yes, yes, yes! Our next finishers, ladies and gentlemen! 101, 248!
Hey! Congratulations. Okay, perfect. Nanadaw audio. Alright, so I apologize for the interruption, guys. Magpadayon ta. So we are here again sa atong first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. Bike race. Sorry, singot na kayo.
101 beat
So here we are. Nata diri karon sa nata diri karon sa Plaza Manungamon, one of our clean and green open spaces here in Danao City. So if you're watching this live, you can also come here and help us welcome our guests and participants of our first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. This is a historic event here in Danao. So I'm inviting everybody to we're inviting everybody to come here if you want. The weather is doing really good right now. Ning-cooperate yun ang atong weather today. Wala nag-uwan, di sad kay init. Just the perfect weather for this event. Alright. So just an update, guys. We already have finishers sa atong 60-kilometer category. So here are the names. So muna yung mga recent finishers na itong finishing 4 hours, 15 minutes, 4 hours, 18 minutes. But just so you know, our first finisher sa 60-kilometer category just finished the race within 2 hours and 27 minutes. And guess what? They were expected to finish it within 6 hours, but they just did it within 2 hours and 27 minutes. If you check the second live nga atong gibuhat ganina, interview na ko ang first team to finish, first finisher sa 60-kilometer category. So you can check it out. Na-interview na to ang atong mga mananao. And the race is still ongoing. Wala pa tanahuman, guys. So napay mga nagpadong. And nagpadong pa sa datong first ever finisher for the 100-kilometer category. Wala pa'y finisher sa 100-kilometer category so far. Alright. We have incoming teams. Congratulations. Good job. Alright. Very good. And here's another team finishing. Congratulations, mga sir! Alright, so nagkainit na gid og nagkasikit na gid kaayo ang laban diri, guys. Sa atong mga bikers for our first ever Danao City Grind Fest. So this event is following the success of last January's first ever International Ultra Trail. So mga runners pod to, karon mga bikers na pod ta. This just shows how our city government supports sports activities here in Danao City. Of course, congratulations and thank you once again sa atong city government for organizing this event. And of course, to our mayor, atong pinalanggang mayor nga si Thomas Mix Durano, and our vice mayor, Nito Durano, for making this event possible. And we also have partners. Let me show you our partners who collaborated with us for this big event here in Danao City. So I'll try to show you kanina sa banner. So muna ang mga logo sa atong mga partners. So thank you so much atong mga partners. We have Dido, Mogu Mogu, Popper Sweat, and more. Hill Cycling, Boss Max Free, Fitbar, KGL, Hardware Trading, and more. So thank you so much sa ato mga partners and collaborators who helped us make this event successful. Alright. And again, nata diri sa Plaza Manungamon, one of our clean and green open spaces here in Danao City. You guys can come here, and later will be our awarding ceremony at about 4 p.m. So you can also come and visit. here at 4 p.m. and witness the awarding ceremony for our bikers. So, ari na mo diri mga Danawanon o sa mga tagagawas sa Danau. Of course, you guys are welcome to come here and visit. Hapit na ra ba ang fiesta diri sa Danau? So you guys visit us here and celebrate with us our fiesta and the Carranza Festival, of course, ang atog yung ginahuwat nga festival diri sa Danau. And also inviting you guys to visit and follow our Danau City Government official Facebook page so that you guys will be posted sa atong mga upcoming and current events here in Danau City. And another finisher. Congratulations, sir! Alright! Okay, so akong gihuwat yun, no? Gihuwat yun nato karon ang finisher sa 100 km. So, Miss Sherry LLA, wala pa finisher nga naabot sa 100 km. You know what, guys? That the 100 km category, the riders or the bikers are expected to finish it within 10 hours. But guess what? Nana daw padong, dool-dool na daw ang first finisher sa 100 km. Ang uban na itong mga bikers natanggong paintawon ngadto sa Maslog ba to? Masaba. Ay, Masaba di ay. Kay Night Fiesta daw. Alright, another finisher. Alright, congratulations. Okay. We have another finisher. 60 kilometer. So,
congratulations mga sir.
our riders, our bikers are for sure they're enjoying the beautiful sceneries and views ngadto sa mga bukirang bahin nato diri sa Danau City because ang ilahang trail is adto gyud sa mga mountain barangays diri sa Danau. So inana ka challenging at the same time very beautiful sceneries ilang makita as they were doing the race. Okay, thank you guys sa mga nag-watch the live and for those who helped me earlier figure out the audio. Thank you so much. So again, we are still here witnessing the first ever Danau City Grind Fest. Alright, so let's try to... Hi sir! Congratulations din ninyo sir! Pwede ta alitol to sir, natpunta na. Atong saan sa atong mga finishers. We're live sir, live. Say hi. Say hi. Ali sir, padol sir. Sir, how does it feel nga na-finish ninyo successfully ang race? Ako sa may mga preparations inyong gibuhat sir para ani nga event. Sikat na gapon dagat. Ato mga bagtag diya sir, okay ra? Okay na lang. Congratulations ninyo sir, congratulations. Alright. From where? Taga-asa mo gikan sir? Danau ra pod. Oh, mga atuwa man din gikan. Congratulations sir, at saludo mi ninyo. Thank you so much. Alright. Okay. Hello sa mga nag-watch sa atong live. So please share this live also so that our fellow Danawanons and our, of course, mga friends from other municipalities can watch our event here in Danau City, our first ever Danau City Grind Fest 100. Everybody's welcome to come here and visit. Namin diri sa Plaza Manoamon, di ba Irish? Namin diri sa Plaza Manoamon, guys, one of our clean and green open spaces tapat sa Children's Paradise, Rizal Park, diri ra gyud. And nindot jud kay pagid ang weather karon. I-cooperate yun. Salamat sa Ginoo. Kay wala gyud ni uwan og wadi sa gyud init. Perfect yun kayo ang weather. Thank God. So just so you know, this event is a historic one. This is a momentous event here in Danau. The first ever ni siya nga Danau City Grind Fest. And so good lang ni siya. I'm sure there will be more sports activities here in Danau City because our city government fully supports sports activities here in Danau. So thank you so much po di ay sa atong mga partners and collaborators. Of course, our mayor, Mix Dorano, and our Vice Mayor, mga pinalanggan nato ng mga mayor, Vice Mayor Nito Dorano. Thank you kay ninyo for making this event happen for all of us.
Rivera and Montemayor.
Open day ni siya nga event sa tanan, dili ra mga Danawanons ang niapil ani. Napod tay mga bikers na magitagikan sa Philippine team. So joining this event. Daghan kay tay mga visitors from different parts of the country and the world. Kaya napod tay mga nahihinabi ganina nga gikan sa Italy. So napod tay mga foreigners, mga visitors from other countries joining this momentous event.
Earlier.
Okay, hari na sa Tadiribi. Guys, na po tabi. Grabe ang energy diri, guys. Mga gwapa kayo sila, no? Oh. Dira mailang nga sayo kay mo diri ganina, no? Fresh pa kayo mo.
And of course, check out our sponsors. They are also selling their products here.
Okay.
On our
atong ihinabi ni
Bukhari Sweat.
mo ni atong mga finishers. Pag ginawaon sana to sila, guys. Kay gikan pa rin sila race. Sir, congratulations, sir. Sir, how do you feel, sir, finishing the race successfully? Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Okay. Harit pa diribi. Ay, wait, napadita yung nagpadong na po. Yay! Congratulations, mga sir. Another team finishing the race. Say hi.
Congratulations to 40 ENB Alverio, Nino James, and Hermosillo Elvin. Rocking the finish line in 4 hours and 29.
So again, mga Danawanons, and to our viewers nga naa sa ilang mga panimalay. So we are here sa Plaza Manungamon, witnessing the first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100, a historic event here in Danao City. This is not the first lang. I'm sure na pagidaghang umaabot ng mga sports activities dito sa Danao because our city government fully supports sports activities here in Danao City. Og nahinumduman ninyo last January, we also had our first ever international ultra trail nga mga runners po to joining from different parts of the country and the world. And karon mga bikers na pod. Unsa na pod kay sunod? All right, so everyone who's watching, thank you so much. Share this live and don't forget to follow our Danao City Government official Facebook page so that you will make yourselves updated sa mga lain-laing event nato diri sa Danao City, especially naghinangat na ang fiesta. Right. Namista na sila gikan. Yes, actually, naay fiesta ngadto sa Bukirang Bahin nga giagian sa ato mga bikers. And then I've heard nga ang uban natanggong gani kuno ngadto sa fiesta. But yeah, so far successful naman, nakalabang na sila because we have seen lots of finishers already sa 60-kilometer category and some finishers sa 70-kilometer e-bike category. But wala pa tayo finisher sa 100-kilometer category, mga Danawanons. Mo ni atong gihuwat ang finisher sa 100-kilometer. Naadaw nagpadong nga duol na daw, but you know what guys, for the 100-kilometer they're expected to finish the race at least within 10 hours. But I guess murag naara gi maabot ani nga murag wala pa 5 hours. So as you can see sa art, mo na siya countdown. So far from the gun start, 4 hours and 31 minutes na ang nilabay. So again akong balikon atong first team nga our first finishers nga team sa 60 kilometer only finished the race within 2 hours and 27 minutes. Kung nahinabi nato sila ganina, you can check it sa atong second live ganina. Atong na hinabi ang atong first team to finish the 60 kilometer. Uy! So, did you guys hear that? Nana daw sa langlang dapit ang atong possible pa lang nga finisher sa 100 kilometer category. Diba? Diba sakto yun, murag wa pay 5 hours maabot diri ang 100 kilometer. So to everybody who's watching, again, you guys can come here and join us in welcoming our guests and participants sa atong first ever Danao City Grind Fest.